Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're starting the garden, and due to high lumber prices, we will not be using wooden raised boxes. Instead, this year, we're using tires. And we're not off to a good start. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, this year, instead of using wood to build my raised garden boxes, I'm just going to use tires. Wood prices are ridiculous, and these tires were free. Now, I'm using 4, and actually, it's about the same size as the wooden garden boxes I used in previous videos. You want to put the tires on the ground and figure out what's your best side. Like I have one tire that has the wires coming through. I want to make sure that's down on the ground and not up. Get yourself some newspaper or some paper, junk mail, which I've been collecting for a while, as you can see. We're going to go ahead, lay our paper on the ground, then put our tires on top. Now I know some people might have concerns about using tires for in your garden, worried about the chemicals in tires. Now from what I was reading on the internet, and I know the internet's not always right, but you gotta start somewhere. The chemicals in the tires are released when you burn them, not for like gardening. So they're okay to use for a garden. Some people may also be concerned about the heat that it may acquire from being in the sun all day. It didn't seem like that was a big concern from what I read. So we're going to go ahead and use these tires and see how the garden does this year. Next up is our topsoil. I'm going to be putting the topsoil in each tire, shoving the topsoil inside the tire, and also putting topsoil in the middle. I'll be using the center of my tire garden box also, not just the tires. Okay, as you can see, right now I'm basically working with mud. It's going to be too hard to work with, so what I'm going to do is let it dry out. I'll come back, add my topsoil, and we'll start the next step. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.